Hello students, this is the fourth video on vectors. So let us continue solving the problems. So problem number 12. Toy airplanes fly in a straight line at a constant speed. Airplane 1 passes through a point A. Its position P seconds after it has passed through A is given by the equation x, y, z equal to 3 minus 4, 0 plus P minus 2, 3 and 1. Okay. Now let us try to understand this equation before we proceed further. Now this equation, this is actually the path of the toy airplane. Okay. Now the position of the toy airplane P seconds after it has passed through A is given by this particular equation. So that means if for example, this is the path of the airplane and this is A. So P seconds after it has passed through, this is the position of the airplane. This gives the position of the airplane. So suppose if you want to find the position of the airplane, what are the coordinates of A? Then I should put P as 0. So if we want to find what is the position of the airplane after, let's say, 3 seconds. Let's say after 3 seconds, let's say it is here. Then you should put P as 3. You will get the coordinates. You will get the position vector of this point, and from there you can find the coordinates, right? So the first question is, write down the coordinates of A. So the coordinates of A is found by substituting P as 0. So you will get 3 minus 4, 0. X, Y, Z equal to 3 minus 4, 0. So the coordinates of A are 3 minus 4 and 0. And the second question is, find the speed of the airplane. Now this is the velocity vector of the toy airplane, velocity vector. Okay, and we know that speed is the magnitude of velocity. So speed is square root of 4 plus 9 plus 1, so which is nothing but square root of 14. So I think distance is in meters and the time is in seconds. So it is meter per second. The speed is square root of 14 meter per second. That's done. Now the second part, after 7 seconds, the airplane passes through a point B. Okay, it passes through a point B. Then what are the coordinates of B? So what we need to do is put P as 7. So you'll get x, y, z equals 3 minus 4, 0 plus 7 times minus 2, 3 and 1. So you'll get so 3 minus 14 is minus 11, minus 4 plus 21 is 17, and 0 plus 7 is 7. So minus 11, 17 and 7, the coordinates of B are minus 11, 17 and 7. Right? Okay. Now the next question is, find the distance the airplane has traveled during the 7 seconds. Okay. Initially the airplane was at point A. Now after 7 seconds it is at point B. Right? So basically, what is the distance traveled by the airplane? So for that we need to find AB vector, which is nothing but OB minus OA. So we have OB is minus 11, 17 and 7, minus OA is nothing but 3 minus 4, 0. So you'll get minus 14, 21 and 7. Right? Okay. So magnitude of AB. The distance is magnitude of AB, which is nothing but square root of 14 square plus 21 square plus 7 square. So you can use the calculator to find the answer. This is the distance traveled by the airplane during the 7 seconds. Okay. Fine. Now this is the path of another airplane, airplane 2. Airplane 2 passes through a point C. Its position Q seconds after it passes through C is given by this equation. The angle between the flight paths of airplane 1 and airplane 2 is 40 degrees. Find the two values of A. Now we know that for airplane 1, the velocity vector is minus 2, 3 and 1. And for this airplane 2, the velocity vector is minus 1, 2, A. So I can keep it as U and I keep it as V. It's given that the angle between U and V is 40. So cos 40 degrees equal to u dot v by magnitude of u into magnitude of v. So cos 40, you can find it. Now before you find cos 40 in your calculator, students, please make sure that the input is in degrees, because if it is in radians, then you will get incorrect answer. So it's 0.766 equal to u dot v is 2 plus 6 plus a divided by magnitude of u is 4 plus 9 plus 1 into square root of 1 plus 4 plus a square. So you'll get 0.766 equal to 8 plus a divided by, if you multiply inside the root also, you'll get this is 14, this is 5, so 70 plus 14 a square. Okay, now the natural tendency for you is to simplify it further, get a quadratic equation, square both sides, get a quadratic equation, and then solve it, isn't it? But there is an easier way to solve this, students. So what you need to do is go to calculator, take your calculator and go to graph, and then type y1 equal to 8 plus x upon square root of 70 plus 14 x square.